Yoga the Biker, and I'm here to do a product review on the Viking motorcycle backpack. Okay, so we have a Viking motorcycle backpack. It's going to be a quick review. So it has two side compartments as far as for your zippers, for whatever small items that you would like to put in the bag. If you turn it around, there's a Velcro section, so when you do put it on the backpack, like if you want to put paperwork or something there, you can put that in that area. There's another little section here, which I guess maybe you could put cards or something there. It's really tight, so it'd be kind of difficult trying to put anything in it, but I probably would recommend just like maybe a credit card or ID or something in that capacity. The straps are padded, and it has a padded backing as well. On the front, it has the Viking bag logo, as you can see. And then the material itself is a two-texture material. It has like the leather textile material. It has the hoops so that when you unzip it, which it has one front zipper, so easy access in that capacity or regards. It has multiple compartments of where you can put your belongings in. Inside you have your rain bag. It's raining here, so like the bag itself isn't rain resistant, but if you put your rain covering on, that would help in that regard. You have a couple more sections as far as they're not zippered or Velcro down, but you can put whatever items that you want to put in there and organize it. Here you have a Velcro section, so that way if you did put like maybe, I would say maybe a laptop or not iPad, but just a tablet itself, you can put that there and it'll keep it secure. You have here the handle, which I haven't necessarily had any issues with the bag itself, but having that it is a front bag, some motorcycle bags, as far as I ride a ZX6R, so my 250 that I had prior to my backpack, I had no issues with my current bike. Riding it, I have had some personal belongings that is now somewhere on the freeway, but it's cool. So as I said earlier, you can put those items here so that it doesn't necessarily go flying off into the sunset or whatever, or you can have them zipped up. Other backpacks, they have that the zipper is on the inside. I like it that does have the zipper on the front, that way like if you do have someone behind you, you need it to get to your bag, they can get it out for you instead of you having to unstrap yourself, which with this bag it does have the straps that go around your waist and across the chest. So let's put it on right quick. You have the straps there, the regular straps, and then you have the straps which are adjustable that go across the chest, and they're adjustable at the waist as well. Get out the seat right quick. So, that is the Viking Moto backpack. So I would give it, as far as for durability and styling, I would give it a 4 out of 5. 4 only for the reason because of the strap is a little heavy, so as far as with your riding, unless you're tucked, you might have some issues that it might slap you in the back. And then the material itself, that it isn't necessarily rainproof, but you do have the bag, so hopefully if you do know the weather, you can hurry up and throw the backpack cover or the rain covering on. It does have a sleek design, so to help with aerodynamics on your bike. So I like the bag, and the only color it does come in is in black, but you could also decorate it yourself if you're that type of person. So 4 out of 5 for the Viking modal motorcycle bag. Check out the link, which will be attached on this video. So until next time, love and light, you guys.